Welcome to week 9 of the course. In this week, we will continue our unit on leading innovation and change. The primary focus will be on actually developing your skills in this area. This will be accomplished through the following tasks. First, you'll be required to read the introduction and chapter 1 of the book, The Innovator's DNA, Mastering the 5 Skills of Disruptive Innovators. You should be able to access this portion of the book through the link that has been provided. You are also being asked to watch these 6 videos, which will provide an overview of the 5 skills discussed in the Innovator's DNA book, as well as the importance of choosing a problem that matters when engaging in innovation. Further supplementing the information provided in the book and videos is this website and an article, both of which were written by the authors of the Innovator DNA book. Once you have this foundational knowledge, you can then proceed with this applied exercise, where you'll have the opportunity to enact a selection of the Innovator DNA skills and later reflect on this experience through the Innovator's DNA paper assignment. As you can see, the first part of this assignment, identifying a meaningful problem, is due this Wednesday, while the final paper is not due until next Thursday, October 25th. This is to give you a full week to be able to actually enact the skills of disruptive innovators in addressing your identified problem. And that is it for this week.